Welcome to day 14 of my 60-day bulking phase challenge, phase 2. And because I am missing gym recently quite a lot because of my injury, I'm realizing that with the cycling I've been doing, I'm losing weight. Within the last less than a month, something like 3 weeks, I've lost something like 3 kgs. And I'm hoping to continue losing more weight, and my body fat percentage also, just to continue so that it can help me shred quicker and gain more weight and make sure that I am shredded than becoming too fat and becoming too overweight. Thank you for watching. Keep up with my bulking fails and my other content. Also subscribe and drop a comment below.